Well, the Gillette Soldier for Women campaign, I think, is fantastic, and more so, it's pretty symbolic with today being Women's Day. I couldn't have asked for a better way to celebrate Women's Day. Everyone asked me, oh, so what is Arbaz going to do today? Are you going to do something romantic? Are you going to do something sweet? I think what the gentlemen today are doing for women and trying to send this message out there, I think is just the perfect platform. So thank you so much, because somebody said, oh, we need to appreciate what the men do for you. So we're appreciating.
No, I think most of it has already been said, but I think a man should be man enough to respect a woman. I think you need to be a man enough to accept the fact that, she deserves all the respect and all the importance that for everything that she brings to your life. And she does do a lot, so yeah, so I think a man should be man enough to respect and be there and stand by the women, not just in their lives but also around them. And I think it's a great initiative of Gillette. And we should just find more heroes. We don't need uniforms to become a soldier. I think we just need courage. We just need some amount of integrity to do that. So yeah, I would like to see more heroes around us. Thank you.
Well, I think that's a very essential message to send out to all the men out there. Appreciate the women in your life, respect them, don't treat them like some commodities, stand by them, be there for them. And having said that, I think women should also appreciate the men for the things that they do. And if they do, I think it's very essential to let them know or say a thank you. But men, you'll really need to step up and be real men.